Tired of your Nikon D3500 cutting off right in the middle of capturing that perfect shot? Let's fix that. First, understand the limits. The D3500, like many DSLRs, has a recording limit, usually around 29 minutes and 59 seconds, or a 4 GB file size, whichever comes first, due to tax regulations and file system limitations. One way to maximize recording time is to lower your video quality. Go into your camera's menu, find the video settings, and reduce the resolution and frame rate. Shooting at 720p or 108p, 24 or 30 frames per second will significantly increase your recording time compared to shooting at the highest quality settings. For truly uninterrupted recording, consider using an external recorder. Devices like Atomos Ninja or Blackmagic Video Assist connect to your camera via HDMI and record directly to an SSD, bypassing the camera's internal limitations. Using a larger and faster SD card can prevent the camera from stopping due to space limitations. Ensure your SD card is formatted correctly, preferably using the camera's formatting function to optimize performance. Periodically offload your footage to your computer or an external hard drive during longer shoots. This frees up space on your SD card, preventing unexpected stops due to a full memory card. Finally, ensure you have a fully charged battery, or even better, use an external power source to prevent the camera from shutting down mid-recording. A battery grip or a dummy battery connected to an AC adapter can be a lifesaver.